Hey, it's Framedoor. We've seen the avatar contests, the gear review for Mr. Wing. Now all that's left is for the 2019 Halloween kit, which, putting it simply, is just combining Bob RP112505's avatar with Mr. Wing. I'm just going to try and recreate that so you can see how it looks on my character. For starters, let's go over the clothing items used in this. The Hallow Hood shirt and the Hallow Hood pants. Now these I've already purchased, as well as the free medieval Hood of Mystery. Alright, so as you can see, I'm not done yet. Some of the items used in the costume are no longer available in the catalog. Some still are, but let's continue this in catalog heaven. Wonderful. Let's do this. See, the wings really make it look like the costume now. Now that this is done, we're going to include the gear. Alright, what you're looking at is the Framedoor 2019 Halloween kit.
Hey, you're looking sharp today. You're too slow.
That's enough of that! So to go over the components once again, the Framedoor 2019 Halloween kit includes the Hallow Hood Halloween shirt, the Hallow Hood Halloween pants, the Poisonous Beast Mode face, the Pumpkin Visage mask, the Coffin Weight lapel pin, the Medieval Hood of Mystery, Ghidorah's wings, the Fall Shoulder Owl Pal, the Pumpkin Trick-or-Treat pail, and Mr. Wing. So this has been Halloween of 2019. Happy Halloween, everybody. If you have any other video ideas, let me know in the comments. That is all from me this Halloween. Bye.